Good morning, guys. So welcome to Vlogtober entry number 4. We are gearing up today for our content day. Today is probably going to be one of the longest days for us for content, because Kim is doing her content for Temu, and she's also doing her content for I believe a firm. And then we're also gonna get some content together for our Instagram pages and for something for the vlog as well. And so yeah, it's gonna be a pretty big day, or long day. Not necessarily big, it's gonna be long. About to get up and get myself together here. Have a scheduled meeting that we actually do with our cousin every Saturday. So we do our weigh-ins and all those things like every Saturday, and you know, have like the conversations about how the week went as it relates to our workouts, our dieting, as it relates to steps, just him keeping us accountable to what we said. Our cousin has definitely kept us accountable. He's definitely helped us to do this well. And I'm so proud, y'all, and excited to say that I am truly losing this weight and trending down in my weight. I can't wait to see what I weigh this morning. I'm definitely going to show you guys. And yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm not gonna tell y'all what I was yesterday, because then that like really kind of like gives it away with like this moment here. So I just want to show y'all what I weighed this morning. So I'm gonna get up, check my weight, and then I'll show you guys, and we'll go from there. So I just finished with my skincare and it's looking really good. My skin is. I'm really proud. Very grateful that it's doing what it's doing. Actually, I went to see an esthetician about a month or so ago, and going to see the esthetician really did good for me. Actually, I've had some darkness under my eyes for some time now, and it's not always been there. Under eye darkness, it could be from a number of things. It could be from allergies, which that is my issue, is I have allergies. It could be from low levels of vitamin D, low iron, like, you know, it could be low levels of anything, you know, you could need whatever it is you need. But for sure, mine has to do with my allergies. I'll be 40 next month. And so turning 40, like, just puts me in a whole different light. I'm very excited to turn 40. Very happy about that. There are many who don't see 40. By the grace of God, I pray that he allows me to get there. But I'm very grateful for 40, but turning 40 makes me realize, okay, Keyondra, you really want to like turn 40 and be healthy. You don't want to just turn 40 and, you know, the rest of your years go like down the drain. Your body is your temple, and you want to make sure that you're doing all that you can to make sure that, you know, that is it's being taken care of. Yeah, so I went to go and see the esthetician, and she gave me this cream, and it's a vitamin C cream, and it's an under eye brightening cream, and it's really been working. Now, here's the thing. A lot of people think that when you get a product, that you get the product and the product is supposed to do whatever it's supposed to do, like right then and there. That's not true. It may take up to 3 months before I see really, really good results. But I went to the mirror one day, and I went to go and do my skincare. When I went to the mirror, I looked up and I was like, I got makeup on? Like, I'm like, did it rub off or something? Because the dark under eyes were not as dark. And my mom and Kim, they were like, yeah, it's brightening up. Your under eyes are brightening up. And I was thinking about getting a chemical peel. And so I may not do that anymore. Most definitely not under eye. But I might do like just the regular chemical peel, because I want my skin to be, you know, just even better. I just want even better for myself. Weight loss, you know, but I don't want to stop there either. I want to lose weight, and I want to also be good spiritually, and not just like this new age weird type spirituality. No, I really want the joy of the Lord, and I really want God to cleanse and purify me, and I want him to deal with my heart. I'm about to get myself together for our content, and then I am going to do the content, and we'll probably get something to eat and chill. All right.
Our photos and stuff like that, video of our outfits. We're kind of matching today. Cute. And then we're gonna go eat. We're at South City Kitchen. So hungry. Haven't eaten anything all day. And so, yeah. Got my rings. Y'all remember I forgot my rings earlier?
What, earlier this year?
Earlier this year, in April. I'll never forget that.
Oh my gosh, you were so marred by that experience.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Can I get straws, please? And then I'm gonna get the sea crab soup. I want to try the watermelon salad though.
I got you.
Hi guys, so we're about to go live. We're going live. Hope you guys like join our live, but remember we're gonna be going live like every Sunday this month. I really hope this goes well, because lives kind of give me like, you know, I don't want to claim anxiety. I'm not claiming anxiety, but I just be like, you know, I wonder if people gonna be like, you know how you be feeling when, you know, you're doing something and people are on the other side of the phone or the computer and they can judge you and stuff like that. Yeah, I just be like, I wonder what people thinking, and you know, and then until the adrenaline kicks in, then I'm good. But yeah, so we're going live. Haven't been live on YouTube in 5 years, and I think we only went live one time. So y'all pray for us. This will have already happened. It's so weird talking to y'all and y'all not really there.
So we really love Lake Colonial here in Atlanta because the food is really good, but then the food is not only good, but the service is really great too. I pressed the button. There we go. Yeah, the food is really good, but so is the service. We were standing there for a little bit and the man thought we hadn't been helped, but we had been helped. And he was like, cause I was about to get mad. And I was like, oh, that's so good. I like customer service, good customer service.
What was that? Oh. Smoke. I love this area. It's super cute.
And it's even though it's tight and it's like hood adjacent, it doesn't feel like
Hood adjacent.
bad. Creepy at all.
I know it doesn't. Oh.
Maybe it's the steam, the taunt came up. We just picked up our food and now we need something to drink. So we're here at McDonald's. I think we told you guys this before that we'll go to one place to get food and another place to get drinks sometimes, because at Lake Colonial, I don't think either they don't have sweet tea or they don't have good sweet tea. I can't remember. And McDonald's sweet tea it's good. It's not the best, but I'd rather it than, you know, okay sweet tea than not good sweet tea. And then if they don't have it, then obviously we can't have it. But yeah, so that's what we're doing now. I like that they put their little to-go stuff in a bag. Cute. It's like a gift. It's so cute. I like good presentation too. So yeah. Oh guys, I forgot. We wanted to thank you guys so much for being a part of the live tonight. It was so much fun, and I'm so glad you guys thought so too. We just thank you guys so much for showing up and sticking with us throughout the live. It was an hour, like almost an hour and a half full of fun. So yeah, we're so appreciative of you guys for doing that and for coming. And then congratulations to all the people who won on the giveaway. And we cannot wait to do it again so that more people can win. We love doing giveaways. They're so fun.
Yeah, that's pretty. Yeah, I thought they had it navy.
I'm just looking at size. Two of them.
Hey guys, so we're here at Pure Green. We're getting a smoothie, and yeah, just really kind of getting out and doing all the things. We were at West Elm as well, like just kind of looking at some things for the living room, you know, the fall colors, all that. Like we want things to be a little bit different in the living room for this particular season. And yeah, so we're out shopping for that. And then, like I said, now we're here at Pure Green getting a smoothie and just enjoying our day. Try it. Yeah, but I love the almond oil one.
And I won't like it.
Yeah, I love the almond oil.
I did with that one. Oh, they have a small one, but I wish they had the small one of that one so I could try it.
Oh, the small one? Oh, cool.
Huh?
I said, oh, they have a small one? Cool.
We're in Target, of course, and I had to come and get some Neosporin because I've been having, ever since my birthday, I've been having like these breakouts of like what looks like hives, and some of them are healing and then others of them are coming up. So like when one side or whatever heals, then it seems like some more pop up. So I need to book an appointment with an ENT to see what like maybe I'm allergic to, because it does seem like it's coming from inside, like basically. It doesn't seem like, because I've not done anything new, so I don't know. And then they could recommend me to a dermatologist if I need to go to a dermatologist, but until I'm able to get in with one, because I hear that ENTs are hard to get in with, and I also have to do research to find one. But yeah, I'm gonna do this, and then this stuff called Blue Star ointment, and mix those in together, and because it itches and it gets inflamed and all that and red and stuff. It's so bad, but yeah, so that's what's going on with me, and that's why I'm in Target now. Pumpkin bourbon.
Oh,
that could work. I like the bourbon.
It smells pretty good.
The pumpkin's not overwhelming. They don't have. Oh, is that our gum today?